Hi everyone, it's Graham at Dent Detail. This repair is a small bodyline dent on the rear arch of a Nissan Qashqai. This is a typical car park door dent where a door's been opened up into it and he's just caught it there. So we're just going to remove this and show you how we do it. We've already taken off the wheel arch trim. These just pop off, just clipped in. So once that's out of the way, these holes that you can see, that's where the clips locate, and it gives us perfect access to the back of where this dent is. You can see there's a couple of holes there along the arch, so if you get a dent anywhere along the arch, you're pretty clear to go. The tool we're using there is a Stanliner Penguin. It's got a raised arch, like a 90-degree bend, and a raised arch with a soft edge where the tool tip is, and it's perfect for this kind of repair. Quick zoom in there, you can see the panel shaking. That is the actual pushing of the tool on the back of the panel, so carefully doing that, using the LED light to see exactly where the end of the tool tip is. And a case of knocking down, we'll do an area of pushing, knocking it down, smoothing it out. When it's on a body line, you have to open it up sideways. If it can be quite sharp, this one's quite soft, but if it can be quite sharp, it's better to open them up sideways and then soften it out, push it, and repeat that process until its panel's back to shape. So after we were happy with it, we're just going to give it a quick polish up. Sometimes when you're knocking down, you can mark the paint, it doesn't cut it, doesn't chip it, it smudges it really. So quick cutting compound, on a hard polishing head, wipe down, and it's good to go. So taking off the tester tape that we put around the arch holes, that's just to protect the paint. So when you're pushing with the tool, you can mark it if you're not careful, but we always protect the areas where we're working so it doesn't happen. Clipping the wheel arch trim back on, straightforward, just making sure it's all in line with where it should be, and then once that's done, the job's done. So here we go, that's how it looks after the repair. Perfect repair, no marks, no pushing marks, no high spots, no low spots. That's how it should be, completely flat. Orange peel's the same as the rest of the surrounding area, and that's what we're looking for. Nice quick repair. Here's how it looks on the LED light. As you can see, nothing unusual. Follows how the rest of the orange peel is around the panel. There we go.